Hi, people.
We're live.
Um,
Yeah, this is happening. We're making fucking slime.
we're gonna make slime.
Motherfucking slime.
So what you'll need a bowl, and you'll need some glue. You'll need some hot water
Some borax.
and a spoon, and then other.
I don't like you working with this borax.
Other
This shit's
stuff.
pretty scary.
I know how to add it. Okay, so you're gonna do hot water and borax. You take some borax
If you want, I could watch. Go ahead. Go ahead. Show them how you do it.
and you add it there.
How much? Just one spoon?
Yeah.
Probably,
Just add as much as you want, just not like a lot. So you're gonna mix it until it's like just good enough.
Okay.
And now that it's all mixed,
That's definitely mixed. Let me do it too. Okay, now what?
we're gonna add the glue, which he will put it right there.
That one's good because you could kind of see the bowls.
Okay. We're gonna add the glue, and I'm gonna add some to him because he's making it too.
My bowl's blue.
I'm getting fork. Okay, we're gonna add some glue, but before we do, we're going to take out the things.
I don't think you're heard.
We're going to take out the things.
Oh, so we got glitters. We got colors. We got. This is a necessity. Shaving cream.
And then we have also foam beads if we want crunchy slime.
I don't want crunchy slime.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay, now we're gonna add the glue.
Here, hold on. I think that if I turn these on and it connects, then the headphones will be from this, like the mic from here.
Just keep it.
Hello. Oh, that's a lot of glue. How do you know how much? You just eyeball it?
Yeah. Okay. So he's gonna have that much slime,
I'm gonna have this much slime.
and I'm gonna have the same amount.
Oh no, you're putting way more than me. Actually, no, maybe not.
Okay. Oh my god. Stop. Wait. Now this is all in.
That's a good angle too. We're gonna try different angles.
Okay. We're going to put our color in.
What's that say?
Yay.
Yay! Okay.
Okay, we're gonna put our colors in. But if you want fluffy slime, you can add shaving cream, but I'll add it.
If it's is it shaving cream just for the fluffy slime?
Yeah.
Regular slime doesn't need it?
No.
You can have that. Well, what's regular slime and what's fluffy?
Fluffy slime.
Is that fluffy? Toss it. That's regular? Toss it. I know regular slime.
But fluffy is like super soft.
I just want regular slime probably. This feels like it has a hella shaving cream in it.
But this one, the shaving cream will be fluffier.
Okay. Can I put just a little shaving cream and not a lot?
You just have to add it.
No, I want to put it. I want to do it.
I'll tell you when to
Is that too much?
go.
Keep going? I don't want too much, so is that...
Yeah, that's it.
Can I do yours too? Tell me when.
Okay, stop. Now, we're going to add our food coloring. And I think I have a purple.
I have pink right here and
So
green.
he's going to add
I'm adding both of them.
pink and green makes like a puke color.
Oh, yeah, because they're almost opposites on the
We can also
spectrum.
add glitter.
And, do you have blue?
No, I only have these three colors.
Why? How do you only have these three colors?
Because Mom got the gel ones, and it only comes with those.
Why didn't you get the one with blue?
Because Mom got one of my friends like this.
I wanted to make teal, but that's like green and blue.
I know how to make a famous color.
It's okay. I'm just gonna do this. Watch. Huh?
Well, I'm going to make an orange or a bubble.
Oh, it's kind of slimy.
I'm going to make a pink.
Is that too much? I put a lot.
Oh yeah,
I
that's
put a lot.
nice. It's gonna be green.
It's gonna be green.
I'm gonna make a
Like
bubble
super
gum.
duper green.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a little orange in it too. Then. Ooh, the orange.
Well, mine
Why
is
is the orange lipstick?
mine is a bubble gum pink. Oh.
Oh, I should just get on my knees and do this, huh?
Yep. Now I'm gonna add some orange. I wish we had purple, because that would make it better. I lost my purple.
You had purple?
Yeah. I lost it. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of green. Actually, I'm just gonna mix these colors. So now we're gonna mix it. And it feels really fluffy once you mix it with the shaving cream.
Oh, dude, that looks cool. That's like art.
Mine is like a
Ooh, yours is cooler.
like our grandma's favorite
Grandma's favorite what?
ice cream.
What's your favorite ice cream?
It's sherbet.
Oh, she likes sherbet? It's actually, did you know it's pronounced sherbet, not sherbet?
Sherbet.
If you spell it out, it's S-H-E-R-B-E-T, sherbet. But I mean, I still say sherbet. Wow, mine looks like Shrek, huh?
Look at mine. That's a beautiful color. It looks like Shrek.
Check that out,
Look, it's
Athena.
Anna, look, it's a Shrek color.
Shreky as fuck, coming up.
This is mine. It's a really pretty
Shrek is love, Shrek is life.
Okay, now we're going to put it down and we're going to add our activator. And
I got you. I'll put it on the Pedialyte.
It's going to start to get hard a little bit. So it's
Oh, that borax activates it?
yeah,
Quote
put it
unquote?
down. Put it down.
Oh, hold on. I got you. I'll record this part. How many? Just one?
Well, I'm going to add
Oh,
it.
these are new jeans.
It washes off. Okay, now you're going to mix it. And I'm going to do the same with mine. Wait,
Okay.
show them the color of mine.
Oh, yours is nice. Yours is like a nice peach.
Yeah.
Peach and Shrek. Shrek's and Peach. Peach is in. Okay, hold on.
Okay, it
Oh,
starts
hold on.
to get off of the bowl
Oh,
a little
awkward.
bit. It starts to get off of the bowl a little bit.
Ooh.
Yeah, and then we're going to add some more.
It definitely got weird, huh? What do you get something who has everything?
You can invent something.
Experiences.
If somebody has everything, you can just invent something. And
Well, I mean, if somebody's so rich and you have to give them a gift, like, okay, say Elon Musk. What do you can't, that's good, original. I was going to just sit down with them and gift them my present.
You maybe keep it alone.
Because, like, you guys have no idea how blessed y'all are.